Caring for patients before they even reach the hospital doors is very important in an area of medicine that needs more innovation.
Especially in healthcare, people are really driven by, capital gains, and we're driven by helping patients. So we're in a really unique role where we can actually make a product that is, has a good business model, but we're helping patients and users at the same time.
The specific problem in emergency medical care that we are addressing is head and neck stabilization in pre-hospital care. We are inspired by this problem because it has been overlooked for decades with little innovation since the 1960s. While hospital technologies have advanced, the tools used in the field remain outdated, despite the fact that up to 25% of secondary injuries occur before a patient even reaches the hospital.
In trauma scenarios, proper head and neck stabilization is essential to prevent secondary injuries during emergency transportation in ambulances and life flights. However, traditional devices are ill-fitting, difficult to apply, and uncomfortable, which compromises effective stabilization.
That's why at HeadStraight Labs, we created EVAC-1 with SMARTmotion technology.
Whether the patient is seated or lying down, the application is simple. First, slide the back plate under the head and upper spine, placing the stabilizers over the chest. Swing up the side wings to cradle the head, and then secure the head and chest straps to the exact fit of that patient.
The SMARTmotion sensors use gyroscopes and accelerometers to track movement. If the head and trunk become misaligned, indicator lights alert first responders to make immediate adjustments according to their medical knowledge. And because all movement data is continuously recorded, we can provide hospitals and EMS teams post-event analysis to cross-compare performance, update protocols, and train based on verified best practices. We believe that emergency care shouldn't start at hospital doors. It should begin the second first responders arrive. Our tech-enabled extrication system fills a critical gap in care for first responders, providers, and patients alike. Visit HeadStraightLabs.com to schedule a demo or see how the EVAC-1 can support your team. Because safer, smarter transport begins with HeadStraight Labs.